How do Docker images enable rapid scaling in microservices? Imagine you're running a busy online store with many different parts like payment processing, product catalog, and user accounts. When traffic spikes, you need to handle more visitors quickly. How can you do that without chaos? That's where Docker images come into play. A Docker image is like a detailed recipe for creating a container. It includes everything needed to run a specific part of your application, like the code, libraries, and settings. These images are lightweight and portable, so they can be moved easily from one server to another. When you want to add more capacity, you simply spin up new containers from these images. Because containers start up much faster than traditional virtual machines, you can respond to traffic changes in seconds. If one part of your system gets busy, you can quickly create more containers for that service without touching the rest of your application. This means you only use resources where you need them, saving money and reducing waste. In a microservices setup, each service runs in its own container. If a service like the checkout process gets a lot of visitors, you can increase just that service's containers. There's no need to scale the entire system, which makes the process more efficient. You can even automate this with tools like Kubernetes or Docker Swarm. These tools watch your system's performance and automatically add or remove containers to keep everything running smoothly. Docker images also make deployment faster and easier. When you update a service, you create a new image version. Replacing the old containers with new ones based on the latest image is quick and simple. This supports continuous deployment, so you can push updates without causing downtime. For backend developers working on APIs, databases, or server logic, Docker images help keep environments consistent. You build, test, and deploy in the same setup, reducing errors and speeding up the whole process. When traffic increases, you just launch more containers from the same image, making scaling straightforward. In short, Docker images make it easy to respond to changing demands by providing quick, consistent, and portable containers. They allow microservices to grow or shrink rapidly, supported by orchestration tools that manage the process automatically. This approach helps backend teams deliver reliable services faster and more efficiently.